It is hard to imagine somebody's pets running along this highway, but City News has learned that this is not the first time that those two dogs, named Charlie and Steven, have gotten away from their owner and made their way onto a busy roadway. One viewer tells us she had to rescue one from the neighboring Bayview extension. We were alerted to the story when some dog owners found Charlie wandering in the Riverdale off-leash area, and his owner was nowhere to be found. We were alerted to the story when some dog owners found Charlie wandering in the Riverdale off-leash area, and his owner was nowhere to be found. Alex Portman and his husband took him in. Animal Services was called, but no one claimed him for 2 days. A few days later, the devastating video appeared.
It was a really cold day, it was really snowy, and not only were the dogs' lives in danger because they were running along the highway, but now we've got, people who are driving down the DVP that could possibly hit these dogs, and so now people's lives are in danger as well.
Even more shocking, Alex says, is that he was told that one or both of the pups had been found loose and wound up in the custody of Animal Services at least 11 times. Animal Services itself has told City News they have a record of 6 incidents since August, and each time the animals were returned to their owner. So concerned was Alex about what he calls the lack of due diligence on the part of Animal Services, he and his husband wrote a letter to the city, pointing out that at the very least the owner should have been fined for several violations, including allowing his dogs to run at large. That alone is a $365 fine. The letter requested that they be informed of their reasons for waiving these fees and asking that the owner be held accountable, as all other pet owners would be.